that to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. I'll let you go.
Hi you guys, and thank you so much for watching. So today I wanted to do kind of a vanity tour for you guys, which behind me right now is my work desk, but as of right now, before I get some drawers and everything, I just keep like all of my palettes and makeup in these drawers. But I do over there, which I will show you guys in a second, have my vanity, which is where I get ready every single day. So I just wanted to show with you guys kind of like what's on my vanity and kind of do like a tour for you guys of like my everyday essentials. Sorry, my cat's like doing the weirdest thing right now. But I just wanted to show you guys like my essentials and my everyday palettes that I use and just like my everyday lip products and stuff like that. So I will be doing a complete office tour for you guys, but I still have to finish decorating it. But for now, I wanted to do a vanity tour for you guys. I thought that would be fun. Before we jump into the video, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you guys as a part of my channel. And without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Guys, this is my vanity. I can actually ask my mom exactly where I got it from because I do not know. She got it for me for Christmas a couple years ago. This chair, however, is from Amazon. Don't mind the mess in the back, but it's just like a goldish color ghost chair, and the pillow is from just like my couch in the living room. But starting over here, this is my kind of like lipstick holder. This is from Zara Beauty, and I just have like my Jeffree Star lipsticks on top, and then I have a couple others around here, like some Kylie ones and some Buxom lip glosses, just any that will fit nicely in there, just the ones that I use on like a daily basis. This candle and candle holder is from Bath & Body Works. It's super cute with the bow on it. Coming over here, I just have like this really cute fur, I think this is like a leopard or something, kind of cloth, I guess you could say. I got it from an Indian store that was up north. Over here, these are just like main products that I use all the time. I have my Marc Jacobs concealer. I have this Ciate powder, which I actually have not yet to try, but that's why it's sitting on my vanity because I really, really want to try that. And then I have my Fit Me foundation, my Becca, some Jeffree Star lip scrubs, which I'm obsessed with. I have this Victoria's Secret Self Tanner, which I'm not even sure if they sell anymore, but it's so, so good. I use that when I get out of the shower just to tan my face. Then these are all my setting sprays that I use. I guess I don't really need that many on my vanity, but I like to switch it up. So I have like the L'Oreal Infallible. I have the Tatcha one, Tarte. This is just like rose water. And then I have a makeup brush cleaner by Makeup Forever. Then I have this really cute mirror, which you can get these anywhere. I think this is like from Target or something, and it's super dirty. I have these really cute brush holders. This one I just talked about in my last video. This is from Amazon. And then I have like just these cute little coffee cups. You can see the one in the back is like donuts. And then this just says, I wake up for makeup. That's really cute. Then I have this brush that says, is it Friday? It's kind of coming off. It's old, but just a brush, obviously. I have a ponytail holder. And then going into this main drawer, this is where I keep like my palettes and stuff like that I use on a daily basis. So obviously I have a bunch of palettes and everything in my desk over there, which that's a whole another video, but I have a bunch of palettes in there. But these are just like the main ones that I use all the time and all the things that I use all the time. So I have Desi X Katie Friendcation palette. I love, love, love this palette. Just for like when I'm going out or anything. It has like those sparkly, pretty colors. Then I have the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. This is good for just like neutrals and everyday. I have this Hourglass palette. This is just like an ambient lighting palette. Too Faced Pretty Rich. I love this palette. It kind of has like a little bit of neutrals as well as those sparkly glitters. I like to keep all of that in here. Then I have the Morphe X Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette, which is one of my favorite highlighter palettes. And then I just have some like random stuff over there, don't mind that. But another thing that I use every single day is this Park Avenue Princess palette by Tarte. I'm obsessed with this contour palette. And then lastly for palettes, I have the Modern Renaissance palette because obviously that's a staple in everyone's collection. I have some beauty blenders, some NARS blush, another ambient lighting powder. I have a Kylie highlighter, as well as just like some brow stuff, my Too Faced bronzer, Becca Blurring Soft Light Powder in pink. And I just have some mascaras. My favorite e.l.f. eyeliner. This is by Avon. It's actually really good for the under eyelashes. And then this Man-Eater mascara by Tarte is one of my favorites. I have a Tarte Shape Tape, of course. My Benefit Precisely My Brow. I have Tarte Sex Kitten. These are all like favorites that I've talked about before. This is just like a highlighter stick from Thrive. I have a Stila Glitter, the Anastasia Stick Foundation, a Becca Concealer for like more everyday wear and not full coverage. I have a little spray perfume, ColourPop contour stick. I have a Redness by, who's this by? L'Oreal. Another mascara. This is the Troublemaker by Urban Decay. And then another Tarte Shape Tape. So this drawer is really messy. I need to like do something about it, but it's fine for now. And then down here in this little compartment, I just have like some travel makeup bags. And then down here I have like my at-home do-it-yourself like gel nail polishes. I have some teeth whitening gels and then like some sun products back there. So this is again like so unorganized, but yeah, that's pretty much all that I keep on my vanity just for everyday use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll talk to you guys soon.